Hello everyone. I am just doing a little cleanup work on one of my surface pattern design files. And I decided that I wanted to change part of the coloring of this file. And so I've been using the default paint bucket tool to do this, which I think most of us who are pretty beginner at using Photoshop and we enjoy our time being spent as painting and drawing creatives, I default to the paint bucket tool. So what I do is I usually just grab the color I want from the eyedropper, go to the paint bucket, fill it in. But the problem that I'm having, especially with using the same color as the main object, is that it leaves this horrible little pixelated line around what I'm filling. So I've been trying to figure out if changing the tolerance would help at all. And it does help a little bit. So like, let's put it to 20. But then it makes everything really pixelated. So I looked online to see what tutorials I could find, and some of them were too complicated to even bother with, for a beginner at least. So I decided to just play around with it, and I came up with a solution that actually works pretty well. And I use the magic wand tool, and then I select the area that I want to fill. I go down to my layers and I create a new layer, and you can do this on top or below the main image that you're working with. I'll leave it on top for right now. And I create a new layer. And then I go back up to my paint bucket tool. I click it. I select the color that I want, which in this case is the outline color. And then I go to my new layer that I created and I drop in the color. I release the magic wand tool by clicking Control D, and it still is going to look like it's not going to work, even if you merged the layers together. But I double click on that layer that we just filled, and I go to Stroke, and voila, it gets rid of my little line. You can set the size of your stroke to something bigger if you even want to make sure that it's filled in. And you could even expand the size of what you just filled if you really wanted to. So I'm going to leave it at like 9 and call it good. But the even better way to do this, I've found, unless you just want to do one at a time, is of course to go ahead and lasso with your magic wand all the areas by clicking Shift and adding additional areas that you want to fill. And then on that new layer, use the paint bucket tool again and go ahead and then just fill everything. Still do the little stroke. Oops, hit the wrong one. And then it will take care of more areas at the same time for you, unless you want every little individual leaf to be a different color or something like that. Yeah, just know if you have multiple colors, it's not going to work out for you. Each layer has to be one color only. So that's how I get a little bit of an extra fill there to make up for that pixelated area. And when I'm all done, I could combine the layers back into one, or I could leave them separate in case I want to come back in the future and make these different colors by using the gradient map tool. But I can show you that at a different time. Have a great day, everybody.